Well, boys, I finally did it. I finally got the shop of my dreams. I'd like to get my channel going again. So, put this this air manifold in. I'm sure you guys have seen videos on people that do this. I don't know if it was worth the effort, but if anybody's interested, I will show how I did it. Just use 1/2-inch copper pipe, very easy. Plumb that all in. Welding station right here. Just got this hardened HC Chucker lathe. So super excited about that. Going to be doing a bunch of videos on that if you guys are interested in it. I'll be making videos on it anyway, but about it. Got some tooling with it, not a whole bunch, but got some. Can kind of go over that. Plasma cutter, MIG welder, and just got the Bridgeport. So super excited about the Bridgeport. Came with the DRO, so that's totally awesome. First DRO I've ever owned. It's it had some tooling with it as well. Still kind of sorting through that actually, and all these bins are full of tooling and hold down tools and stuff. This was actually a pretty good deal for this at Harbor Freight. I think with the coupon and everything else like that, it was like 250 bucks. So not a bad deal for that. Cool. So we go upstairs. That's my metal shop. So upstairs, I have my my wood shop. Dust collection unit here, again from Harbor Freight. Pretty, not great, kind of weak and anemic, but kind of, it works somewhat. Got the wood lathe station set up. Turn this, had a little fun just playing around. Planer, table saw. I always just sort of pull this table saw out when I want to use it. High pressure air. Made this 4x8 table. Got the radial arm saw, chop saw, Craftsman chop saw. I got this on Craigslist for 50 bucks. That was an amazing deal. Got the small drill press, because you need to drill holes in wood once in a while. This is my Roken box set. I'll put a link in the description, or if anybody's interested in Roken box, that'll be in the got all my reloading stuff. It's set there, but it's not tuned in and set up to the point where I can actually use it, but at least it's here and kind of in a somewhat organized pile. I'll get to it. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Like I said, want to get my channel going again, so I just showed you a bunch of stuff, and if anybody's interested in anything particular, please leave it in the comments. I will do a video on it. I'm going to do videos. I'm going to do a bunch of machining videos anyway, because I finally got rid of all my my Chinese mill and my Chinese lathe. Not to say that there's anything wrong with those, but using a Bridgeport and using a hard hinge is a lot different, and I have to say a lot better. So that'll be a lot more fun, and like I said, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks.